I'm going to show you how to create a brand new lesson in Educreations. First, you've got to locate the app and open it. As you can see, I have several lessons that I've already created, but today I want to show you how to do a brand new one. To do that, you'll click the plus sign in the top left corner to create a brand new lesson. You get a blank screen that looks a lot like a whiteboard, and you can choose the pen and change color, and you can write whatever you'd like. I can change the color and write some more, and I can also delete things. If I tap the eraser twice, it gives me the choice to clear the ink or to clear the whole page. So I'm going to clear that whole page because my writing wasn't very good. Now I'm going to write welcome. I want this to be the only thing on my first page. To get to the next page, I'm going to click this arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. It will add a new page to my presentation. And as you can see, I am now on page 2 of a presentation that has 2 total pages in it. This time, I want to add a picture in the background. So I'll click the plus sign. And I want to add a picture that I already have on my iPad. So I will click this middle button. And it will take me to my camera roll. Let's put this picture from my wedding in here. And I'm going to want to annotate this in a little bit, but I want to annotate it live. I don't want the writing to already be there. I want it to be in my recording as I'm talking. So I'm going to do that in just a moment. I can add one more page. And if I wanted to add a different picture, I could. But let's just change the color to purple, and I'll write thank you. Now I want to add some words to my presentation. So I will click this button in the bottom left-hand corner to go all the way back to my first page. And to add some words to my presentation, I'm going to click on this microphone here, and it will start recording for me right away. And I would click it again to stop. So when I click on it, hi, welcome to my Educreations tutorial. I hope you're excited. This is a picture from my wedding. My husband here, his name is Adam. And then this is me. Thank you for watching. So what I did is I recorded my voice to go along with this presentation, and it is a total of 33 seconds. If I decided that wasn't very good, I can click that eraser button, and I can clear my recording. I tapped the eraser twice to get this to show up. So I can clear this page, I can clear the ink, or I can clear that whole recording. And you know what? I'm going to clear that recording. It asks me if I'm sure because you know what? I can't hit undo for that one. So yes, I will clear it. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to erase the ink on this page because I do want to make sure that I record that live. And I realize that I want to put a math problem on this page before I get to my thank you. So I'm adding a page, and I'm going to write thank you on the 4th page. Now I'm going to go all the way back to page 1, and I'm going to record it again. So I'll click the record button. Welcome to my tutorial for Educreations. This is a picture from my wedding. Here is my husband. His name is Adam. This over here, this is me. I can use Educreations to show a math problem. 55 divided by 5, I can work it out right here. I can say 5 goes into 5 one time. I multiply. I subtract. Then I bring down. 5 goes into 5 one more time. I multiply. I subtract. And there's nothing for me to bring down. So the remainder is 0. So 55 divided by 5 equals 11. I can solve something in real time and record that. Isn't that cool? Thank you for watching. So now that I've stopped my recording, I want to save my video. So up here in the top left corner, I'm going to click this button. And I can choose to save it as a draft or to save a finished video. If I save it as a draft, that means I can come back in later and I can edit it again. But I'm going to save it as a finished video. I get to choose my lesson title. I can put a description in there if I want. I can make it published so that Educreations can see it. I can keep it private, and I can put the subject area and the grade level. I'll call this one Tutorial. And I'm not going to put a description, but I can if I want to. And then I'll click Save. So what happens is my new video shows up right here. And it's called Tutorial, and I started this 6 minutes ago. Now if I want to share this lesson, I'm going to click on it. It will play for me. So after, I can choose this icon in the top right corner for some sharing options. I can copy my link, or I can copy the embed code in the free version. So that's these two options here. You'd have to upgrade to the pro version to be able to save your video to the camera roll, but I find that it's pretty easy to have the link and the embed code to share this with a lot of different people. So if I wanted to copy the link, I would just click on that, and it copies it for me. So I can paste it on my web page, I can put it in a blog, I can share that with other students and with their parents. There's lots of things I can do with that. And then I'll click Done in the top left corner, and I'll go back to this main menu. If I wanted to create a new lesson, I would click on this plus sign and start again. I hope you enjoyed my video for how to get started with Educreations.